Hey, are you a stay-at-home mom, a health coach? Are you a dreamer looking to build your financial freedom on your own terms? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to Evergreen Abundances. My name is Heather and I am your wild-hearted mama and friend, and I am so beyond excited that you are here. So if you are a work-from-home mom or a health coach, ready to start a business from scratch, or even take your existing online business to the very next level, then buckle up because this is going to be a fun adventure. On this channel, you will learn how to build something evergreen, a business that keeps working for you over and over and over again. At Evergreen Abundances, I believe that everyone deserves financial abundance, time freedom, and opportunities to explore their passions, all while growing in life and in business. Because who doesn't want all of the abundances, right? So here's what you can expect. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Here you will find educational webinars, step-by-step tutorials designed to help you cut the learning curve and monetize your passions quickly. Plus, I'll be going live every week to share business tips and work-from-home strategies that I've discovered along the way. Trust me, these are things that I wish I would have known when I got started. And just like your journey, this channel is ever growing and ever evolving. So as I continue to learn, I'll be here sharing everything that I discover with you. We're building a business that not only supports your work-from-home lifestyle, but also gives you the freedom to focus on what matters most. Your family, you, self-care, fun. So, if you're ready to start your own business, achieve financial independence, and master the 2-hour workday, 2 hours, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and check out the link below. I cannot wait to help you build your dream business and create a life that truly, truly, truly feels abundant.